So now we are we're going to play with joins. So let's do, first of all, let's do that inner join. So select recipes title, recipe title. Select recipe title and recipe class description from recipe classes I'm going to do as RC. Join could be inner join, but I could also just use join. Join recipes as R on. So select recipe title, recipe class description from recipe classes as RC. Join recipes as R on RC dot recipe class description. No, recipe class ID equal R dot recipe class ID. So look good? Did I make any typos? Column R recipe class ID doesn't exist. There we go. So what did it give me? I'm just going to copy this into our code. And since we're working down here, I'm going to bring this image, copy that image down. What did it give me? It gave me only where those IDs match, right? I did not get Thai chicken soup. I did not get Reuben sandwich. I did not get those other 5 categories of descriptions that we know are there, right? I only got this. Only got where recipe class ID is equal to recipe class ID. Let's play with that a little bit. Select. Well, let me just do it this way. What's that going to give me? Right join. Let me go get our pictures. Let me get it out of there. This one is inner. Okay. So now I'm saying right join. what's that going to give me? What's on the right? What's right? Is it recipe or recipe classes? Recipes or recipe classes? What's on the right? Recipes. Okay, so here's our join. What's on the right of it? Oh, recipes is on the right. Right? So I'm going to get everything they have in common. So the same results as this right here. I'm going to destroy this mouse after class. Everything right there. I'm going to get all that because that's the stuff in the middle. That's the join. And then I'm also going to get what's on the right. Recipes is on the right, right? I'm going to get anything that's not matched to recipe classes. Let's see it. So recipe title, now you might be confused. You're like, wait a minute, that's on the left. Look at the logic. We put recipe title here, so maybe it'll look better in your brain if we had that on the right. So it's kind of matching the tables. I could do 3 of them if I wanted. Right? Just like it does what I tell it to do. Pull out the stuff I want you to pull out. But maybe it'll make more sense if it's like this. Because now the fields, you know, the field from recipe, whatever, recipe classes is on the left, and the table recipe classes is on the left, and the field recipe title is on the right, and the table recipes is on the right. So the field, you know, now there's symmetry. So maybe that makes more sense, right? Visually, kind of helps your brain. So, gave me a join them, gave me everything in the middle, which would be all this stuff. And then it's like gave me anything on the right that's not matched to stuff on the left. That's a right join. So let's do a left join. There's a left join. Gave me everything that matches in the middle right here, right, on recipe class ID or whatever that matching field was. All that, that's this middle stuff. And then gave me everything over here on the left. What was on the left? Well, recipe, here's the join. And to the left of it, recipe classes. Right? We have sets of data. We have recipe classes as one set. We have recipes as one set. Recipe classes down here is this one, table 1. Recipes is table 2. Somebody point out another set of data on this screen. There's another set of data right there. Right? It's the result. That's a set. It's just a set of data. Well, I'm just kind of curious. All right, we did a left join, we did a right join. There's a full outer join. And just looking at it, you kind of can see, right, that, okay, I'm going to get it all. What's up?
You need to include the outer part.
I'm wondering about that. Spirit of adventure and exploration, baby. Nope. Also known as. All right, it's probably long enough for this video.